Hello everyone, today's video I will like show you how to record screen with RecMaster step by step in full tutorial. Okay, after you install and you can open it. RecMaster, here I have opened it already. So here's the program look like. It has full screen record, and then you can choose the system sound, and you can adjust the volume and the microphone if you want on or off, or you have advanced option to select the preferred one, your external microphone one, and then confirm. And also they have a great feature for enable microphone noise reduction, so it will catch less noise in. And also you have a webcam. You can select the webcam from the integrated one. For example, here I am, and you can adjust it. Okay, let me just close it first. Okay, also you can select and record specific area, and also come up with these three options the same, but it for area. And they have game mode. If you want to record game, you can record system sound, microphone, and select the game. But in here I don't have any game open, so I cannot record it and cannot show you. And they have other module in here, like if you want to record a specific screen or window, you can do that. Also we have follow cursor. If you want it record follow our cursor when we click, and webcam or audio only. Okay, you can record it. Let's see other setting here. Before we start record, we need to know other setting. Then we go to menu. Here use Pro. You can register it in the official website. You can get very cheap price for this one. Okay, let's see setting here, and they have other manual how to do everything is covered. And here our record drive, here you can change and the format MP4, yes, to MP4, and then come to video. We can select original or high quality one, and frame rate you can choose 25 frames per second. And here we use any, no problem with that one. And code, if your computer is slow, you can use this encoding mode, so it will not eat up all your performance. But if you have good one, you can use this one. Okay, the output resolution, you can, for example, you record full HD, you want to output just 720, you have option to do so, but just keep the same, no problem. And when come to audio, you can adjust the bitrate and make sure you enable microphone noise reduction. And come to interesting is cursor. If you want to show cursor or not, you want to show, just click here. And if you want sound click in your video, you can select it or no. When moving track, you want what color do you want? For example, this one. When highlight, any other color, for example this one. When click effect, what happens when you click left click or right click, you can adjust with that one. And another hotkey, you can pause and start and so you may don't need it, but if you need, you can adjust and change it. And come to interesting here, how we segment our record. For example, we record 1 hour, but we want it separate by 10 minutes. So each 10 minutes it saves one file here. Or you can use by size, for example 100 megabyte or 1 gigabyte, or just save into one file. So it's really interesting. And if you record game, you want to show frame rate per second or not, so it's up to you. And one more thing is watermark. You can put a type watermark right here and change color and the location. Okay, for example, I put GitHub media. Yes. So they have font style. You can select from different font style here. So I don't need to select one. Have shadow, white color. Just choose the white one. And transparency and the location. For example, I want the top corner right there. So just choose that one. And countdown. Okay. Or you want just time, put date and time and choose different location, or you can select the image and add, for example, your logo. Okay, let's make it simple. Use this one, or you can just select none. Capture what you want to capture. Show border and enable shutter sound and other general automatic start when the service start, and other bunch of new feature here. When you close, just exit or minimize. Okay, when you close the program, so just exit or minimize. So it's up to you. So here are all the settings you may need to know. Okay, let's test record and edit it later. Okay, let's just do full screen, and you can check the setting before record right there too, or previous record and edit up here, or you can even merge or delete two clips. Okay, let's test record the full screen one. So very nice effect. Okay, for example, I just click here, start menu, and just open my Microsoft Word 2021. Yeah, click and right click. Okay, now okay, just stop it. So here our new file, just record it here. You can even play it. Okay, for example, I just here you see the logo with the shadow right here. Click here, start menu, and just put a full screen, no problem. Okay, in here we can rename the file and even edit it. For example, it's 22 seconds, so just edit it. Okay, just right there. And when it right here, we don't need the last section. Just right here, we just drag in here, or even you can cut right there and then just delete it. Okay, or even if you have other logo, you can just de-logo and then apply somewhere there. It will be removed that logo. Okay, right now just, for example, just this one, and just keep here complete, and then it exported really fast, and just open it. So here my file. Okay, for example, like just click here, start menu. See all effect and everything that put right there. So this is really good for content creator or online teacher that they teach student online and just record it and then they just edit some part that they don't need and export it very fast and put it on social media. So here our original and here our export one, so it still keep both right there. So it come to really interesting. We don't get lost our original face. Okay, hope you learned something from this video. If you have any question, let me know in the comment. You can download trial in link in the description. Okay, thank you for watching. See you in the video.